Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, check your system RAM speed on Windows. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Performance tab, click Memory. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type WMIC space, memory chip space, get space, speed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.